Hello sir, hello ma'am. I'm Gauri Rakesh Bendre. Today's session I will discuss about you what is the string and string method in the Java. The string is the sequence of the character in the Java. The character of the array, also known as the Java string object. There are the two ways to create a string. By using the string literal and string new keyword. The string literal is stored in the string constant pool, and new keyword is every time create a new string. There are the many methods to create the string. The first I will discuss about you how many methods in the string. First, one by one. First, char add. The char add method is user to display the one by one character in the array and what is the index of the character in the array. Then second, equals to method is user to string is equal or not. If it is string is equal, then return the value true. Then otherwise return the value false. Then compare to. The compare to method, if we consider the two string are the equal, then we return the value 0. If we string is not same, then we return the value -1. If we string is same, then we return the value 1. The compare to ignore case. In compare to ignore case, we compare the two string with ignore the case, that means uppercase or lowercase. Then uppercase method. In uppercase method, we ignore the case given letter is uppercase. Then second method is lowercase. The lowercase method, we ignore the string is lowercase or not. Then index of. In this index of method, we will achieve the index of the particular character. Then concat method. The concat method, we consider the two string s1 and s2. The s1 and s2 is combined. Then we use the concat method. Then start with method is user to specific character. The string is start with the specific character. Then in ends with method. The ends with method, we check the specific character specific string is end of the another string. Then two char array. The two char array, we convert the string into the array. It is the and so many methods are used in Java in string point. Then another method is equals to or equals to. Then equals to method, we check the contents or object address of the string. It is the methods of the string. Thank you sir, thank you ma'am.